Hi, I'm Beth Kurland. If you're looking for ways to reduce stress in your life and to cultivate greater well-being, I hope you'll join me for my 8-week online class, the Wellbeing Toolkit. And I call it a toolkit because it's just that. I'm going to offer you 5 tools that are evidence-based, that are grounded in science, but also in ancient wisdom, that combine heart, mind, and body. So all the things I'm really passionate about, that teach you these practical tools that you can carry into your day. And one of the things we're going to be looking at is 5 mental habits that we all operate from, that are universal, that are often in the background, sometimes even in the foreground of our lives without us realizing it, that these are often unconscious mental habits that can take us away from the well-being that's possible in our lives, that can contribute to stress. And the tools that we're going to work with are going to transform each of these mental habits, that there's actually a gift in each one. And as we learn to notice and observe and understand what these mental habits are, we can unlock the gifts. And in those gifts, we grow greater inner resources for resilience, for compassion, for perspective, for gratitude, for joy, for well-being in our lives. I hope you'll join me for this 8-week online class. And to learn more, please take a look below. Take care.